Alright guys, so take a good look at this bike because this is the last time you'll be seeing it like this. So the rest of my mods came in, so today we're just going to be looking at them, reviewing them, and just putting them on the bike. So yeah, thank you Soleil Supplies for sending me out these products, and thank you B-Ridez for sending me out the other products that came in. Alright guys, so the first thing that we have sent out from Soleil Supplies is their new grips. I actually haven't seen these on their website, so I was surprised when they sent these out to me. So yeah, we'll be putting those on later too to replace these like ripped up ODI grips. Yeah. Alright, so the next thing we have is Soleil Supplies sent out this rear fender, which if you guys watched one of my previous shorts, you would know what happened to my old one.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
So yeah, this is going to be really nice. This is the one I'm most excited about. So then they also sent out their keychain and some stickers, which I'll be replacing with this keychain right here, which it'll look good on the bike with the white on the Tuttio and the next product we have. Alright, so starting this off with the keychain and stickers, I actually really like this keychain. It's pretty high quality, and the stickers come in like all different sizes, so you can like put them anywhere on the bike. So let's put this on now. I actually like really like how this looks compared to the other one. It's a little bit bigger, but it I feel like it goes better with the bike. So next up is the fender. It feels pretty high quality. I would definitely recommend this. It feels like a lot better than the stock fender. It's a bit longer than I thought it would be, but when we put this on, we'll see if I like it or not. So now that it's on, I actually really like this fender. It's like really glossy in person, and once it's on the bike, it doesn't really look that long, but it's definitely better quality than the stock Tuttio rear fender. So yeah, good fender overall. Alright, so next are the grips. They feel really high quality. Definitely higher quality than these ODI grips right here. I mean, you can see they're already ripping, especially on the throttle side. I'm definitely gonna have to cut these because I had to do it on my ODI grips too. So let's go ahead and put these on. First the throttle side, now the non-throttle side. Alright, so now that the grips are on, this grip, the throttle side grip, was definitely hard to get on. As you can see, I kind of had to cut it and cut the donut things or whatever they're called. But the throttle is like, it's still snappy after that, so it's whatever. The non-throttle side actually looks really nice, and these are definitely way higher quality than my old ODI grips, so these will last a lot longer than those. Alright, so the next model we have are these motor covers that B-Ridez sent out to me. Go subscribe to his channel. He's a really good YouTuber. And yeah, these are pretty sick. Can't even lie. So let's go ahead and put these on. Yeah, now that these are on, I really like them. The only bad thing about them is you can't really, there's not a screw hole right there, so it kind of just flaps around. I just got it on top of the screw, so hopefully that works. But yeah, do you guys like these? They're pretty sick in my opinion. So yeah, that's all the mods for now. So drop more mod ideas in the comment section. Go check out Soleil Supplies and B-Ridez. And yeah, use my code Soleil05 at Tuttio Sport and Soleil Supplies for a discount. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.